Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas until midnight. At 11:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Emmett, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hoyt, Mahetta, Delia, and Potawatomi Reservation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.